Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this BONTANNY red light panel. This has red light and near infrared lights. It's a super nice panel and it's 100 watts. This is the BO300. The thing I like about this is that it has full customization. This is not flashing actually in real life. It just shows up that way on the camera. But you can see you can set the number of minutes with the timer here. It also has modes. You can switch between red, near infrared, or use both. And it's just fully customizable. Great fans on the side here to dissipate any heat away from it. It also comes with a remote control. As you can see here, it also has the same controls. You can control the timer, you can control the mode and power. It also comes with these goggles here to put over your eyes. And you've got all the hardware if you want to go ahead and hang this thing up. You can see that there are several pieces to this. I prefer honestly just using the stand right here. You can go ahead and fold that out to whatever angle you like. It's also got a power switch back here, and I like this handle on top. You can grab it, move it around, and you can really adjust it to reach any part of your body. So overall, I highly recommend this LED red light therapy panel from BONTANNY. Thanks for watching.